Warning, warning, warning. Oh god, why do I keep saying warning? Guys, Bill Sci here, and today we're going to be demonstrating the scientific method. Bill Sci, the science guy. I promise I'm relevant. Now, the scientific method is what scientists use to explain, all sorts of fancy stuff like experiments, stuff like that. So, let's start to explain them and kind of go over them. First, you ask a question. It has to be something you can test, and that can vary, but, something simple. Next, we have hypothesis. Now, a hypothesis is kind of like an educated guess, but it has to be related to your topic. It can't just be like, oh, what am I having for dinner? Or, whoa, what are we having at lunch? Is it chicken tenders or something like that? After you got your beautiful hypothesis out of the way, next you have materials. It's pretty simple what that means. After you got your materials all jotted down, then you have the fun part. Then you get to test it. Woohoo! Now that we've burned our paws off doing some sort of chemical experiment, depends, we have to jot down our results. Now, that's why you always keep a notebook in handy, because it makes it a lot simpler and makes life a lot easier. Then, we draw our conclusion. Pretty simple, we just end our project right there. Wait, you need an example? You really need an example. Alright. But don't worry, this is a fun experiment that we can all do, so strap on in and enjoy the ride. Now let's get into the materials. Oh yeah. We will be doing a question where, does sugar-free gummy bears absorb more sugar than regular gummy bears? You will need a notebook, a pencil, yummy gummy children or gummy bears, 2 cups preferably, but it can be any amount you want, your favorite soda, your favorite ruler, and finally, some sugar. And it has to be 1/2 a tablespoon, I think. Yep, it is. First step, you measure your gummy bears pre-being soaked in the soda. Now, they should be quite small then. Like, really small. If you need proof, here are the measurements. Now we get to the super specifics where you can't get it wrong. You have to mix 1/2 a tablespoon of sugar into 1 cup of soda, then stir it together till it's mixed thoroughly. Then you have to submerge the gummy bears completely in separate cups, one with sugar-free and one with regular. After you have submerged the gummy children in the soda, you should wait about 24 hours and then check on them when they're done. After they've soaked in the soda for about 24 hours, you should take them out, pour out all the leftover soda, place the gummy bears onto your table, and there you go. Your gummy bear should have swelled up to 2 times size. Now, to the question, which was, do the sugar-free gummy bears absorb more? And based on our measurements, they did. And it was pretty crazy to look at. They were pretty gelatinous and kind of like jelly when we took them out, and it was pretty cool to kind of measure and play with. Now, based on our measurements, our hypothesis was correct. Our sugar-free gummy bear did absorb a lot more of the sugar than the regular one. And this was a pretty fun experiment to do. If you like, gummy bears, eating gummy bears, and soda, this is the one for you.